Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to comment with a picture on TikTok. TikTok allows users in some regions and app versions to comment using images instead of just text. This feature is commonly used in the comment section to reply with memes, screenshots, or reaction images. To comment with a picture, start by opening the TikTok app on your phone and go to the video where you want to comment with a picture. Make sure the video has comments enabled, then click on the comment button. Here you will see three options. Click on the image option, browse through your gallery, and select the picture you want to upload. You can also give it a title, or you can leave the title blank. Then just tap on Send. As you can see, we have successfully uploaded an image as a comment on TikTok. If you don't see this option, it means the feature is not available in your region, or it is not enabled for your account, or the app needs to be updated. And that's it. We just learned how to comment with a picture on TikTok and why the option may not appear for all users. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.